everybody, from Barbara. I'm back with a little sun, so it's a special day and I want to prepare not an Italian but a Mexican recipe, probably the most famous Mexican sauce. Yes, you guessed right, it's guacamole. It's a very easy version of it. I know you can find many different, but I'm Italian, so I do just the basic. But I want to show you also two ways to enjoy it. So let's go to prepare the guacamole. The ingredients that we will use to prepare our easy guacamole are avocado, lime, yellow onion, that is the onion that contains less carbs, then black pepper, salt and olive oil. We will eat this delicious sauce with coppa ham or little bell peppers, and now I will show you how to do it. Let's start by preparing some ketogenic nachos to enjoy with our guacamole. I will use coppa ham, an Italian charcuterie that is perfect because it has a round shape, but normal prosciutto, bacon or jamon will be delicious too. You just have to line the slices on parchment paper and bake them in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius, that are approximately 400 degrees Fahrenheit, for about 10 minutes, depending on the thickness of your ham, so always check it. During those 10 minutes, we can prepare our second dish by cutting in half all our little bell peppers and cleaning them from all the seeds. Some of those cute veggies will be a perfect finger food that I will fill with our guacamole, and a few of them will be mixed with the avocado sauce to give an extra flavor and some color to our Mexican deliciousness. You could use also diced cocktail tomatoes, and they will both look and taste spectacular too. From a ketogenic point of view, bell peppers are one of those foods that can be eaten in small quantities, and the first dish made with coppa ham is definitely more keto. As usual, green vegetables contain less carbohydrates, and this is true also for peppers. In fact, green ones have 3% net carbs, red peppers 4% and yellow ones 5%. I didn't find any information about orange peppers, but I guess they will be between 4 and 5%, between red and yellow. In the description below, I will write you the list of the 10 more ketogenic veggies that you can freely eat without worrying for your ketosis. 10 minutes later and our low-carb, high-fat nachos are ready. So, after baking the ham and cleaning our bell pepper, it's time to prepare the guacamole. But before, look how beautiful and crunchy these keto snacks are. Don't worry if some of them will break like potato chips, because exactly like true chips, they will be salty and delicious anyway. Let's start today's main preparation by dicing half yellow onion and our avocados. As you all know, I just came back from Florida, that is well known for its rich Mexican culture. So I tried many different and all delicious types of guacamole. I have to tell you that this one that we are preparing together today is a basic recipe, so you can make some changes and make it even richer. And if you have a good recipe or some improvement, please write them in the comments below and I will be more than happy to trying your recipe. Always ketogenic, of course. Talking about ketosis, I want to underline that I just used half onion because onion contain carbs, so keep an eye on your macros too. I was supposed to mix the onion with 2 avocados, but as you probably know, this fruit is always a surprise, and today I couldn't use all of them because they had a rotten part and I had to throw it. But show must go on, and I'm determined to prepare and enjoy a yummy guacamole. So let's go on with what we got. As you notice, making vertical and horizontal cuts into the avocado will allow you to get a lot of cute and green cubes. So now that we have them, it's time to squeeze our lime, always using a net, so we won't find any seed into our guacamole. Let's mix all together and season it with salt and pepper. If you like a very spicy guacamole, it's the right moment to add some red hot chili peppers, but this time we won't. Create the sauce with the help of a fork, melting the avocado together with some extra virgin olive oil and adding your chopped onion. Finally, some of our diced bell peppers and the guacamole will be ready. Even if I'm back to Stockholm, this recipe is born in Florida. So after cooking, I will bring you with me to visit the Everglades National Park. Keep watching because it's truly an amazing place. Guacamole can be not only a delicious dip or a great filling, but also an avocado salad used as a side dish, like I did last week. If you didn't watch the recipe of my lemon chicken, you can find up here in the description below and at the end of this video the link, and please watch it because it's really delicious and you will have a third way to enjoy this amazing guacamole. This is our first dish, crunchy coppa ham with guacamole and sprinkled bell peppers. This is our second dish, mini and colorful bell peppers filled with guacamole. This idea is truly perfect for an aperitivo or a party. And the third dish is, as I told you before, last week lemon chicken. But there are many more ways to enjoy a fresh homemade guacamole. If you have any other keto suggestion for this sauce, please write it in the comments below. I really hope you liked today's recipe and you will consider subscribing to my channel. See you here with a ketogenic video in English every Monday, but also with the same video in Spanish on Wednesday and in Italian on Friday. I apologize to all Mexicans if my guacamole is not perfect, but I promise you that it is delicious. So see you next week. As promised, we are in the Everglades and the nature is stunning. As you can see, this is home for unique animals, including alligators. Do you see it? It's the largest tropical park in the United States and it's truly beautiful.